Samsung has launched its new Galaxy Note 8 phone. Our next guest says the Note 8 should be a success. Mark Spoonauer is with us, tomsguides.com editor-in-chief. I want to start with a list, bullet points from you.
Sure. What's
new, what's good in the Galaxy 8?
Okay, so with the Galaxy Note 8, you're getting a huge screen, 6.3 inches, so the biggest that Samsung has ever had. You're getting dual cameras on the back, and they actually outdo the iPhone because both of them have optical image stabilization, which means you get steadier pictures even as you zoom in. There's a true optical zoom of 2x. Nice. And you still get the built-in pen, which allows you to take notes even when the screen is off. Those are the big three things.
A pen?
Yeah, so there's an S Pen built in. It's called the S Pen, and you can do some pretty cool things with it. So, for example, there's this live message feature, and it turns your scribbles into like a little video that you can share with your other friends, so you can see it in the background there. It saves it as a little GIF file.
Cool.
So I could send this out on Facebook or other messaging apps, and the other person will see that on their end. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, look, I just, you know, it's so beyond me, so totally beyond me. I would not be buying that phone because of the stylus and little doodles that you can send to a friend. However, I want to know, what about the upcoming iPhone, September the 12th? Which would you buy, the Galaxy 8 or the iPhone?
So based on rumors, right, because it's not out yet, I would say that the iPhone 8 might outdo Samsung in terms of innovation because of what I'm hearing in terms of augmented reality, right? So the idea that everyone's heard of Pokemon Go and what you can do and capture these things when you're out in the wild, but what happens when developers get their hands on this sort of technology and the apps that can be out there? Apple has this thing called AR Kit. They're seeding developers now, and I think that could be the wow factor. But in a lot of other ways, Apple is catching up with Samsung in terms of the bigger screen, you know, with the cameras. Samsung has the best camera on the market, and this will probably continue to be the case because of what they've done with this. And they also have a better sense of what you can do with the dual screen. So if I swipe in from the left here, I can launch two apps at the same time, like Gmail and Facebook. So, like multitasking, they really have a beat on what you can do with the bigger screen. But I do think it's going to be a huge contest this fall between those two heavyweights.
How much for that Galaxy 8?
It's going to start at $930. So we're getting
the same price as the Apple we hear.
Right. So we're getting very close to the $1,000 smartphone.
God. Well,
your whole life.
Mr. Spoonauer, thanks for joining us. That was interesting. Appreciate it. Thank you.